Clocks don't just measure time, they turn the pages of our lives. Silence isn't weakness, it's the loudest answer to the world. Success doesn't wait for miracles, it knocks for those who never stop. Stars need darkness to shine, just as you need struggle to grow. Trust is like glass. Once cracked, the fracture remains. Real dreams aren't what you see asleep. They are what keep you awake.
Don't lose yourself in the crowd. Be the person they come looking for. Patience is not waiting. It is how you behave while you wait. Work in the shadows and let your success be the thunder.
Peace is not outside. It is hidden deep inside your soul.